Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A15s, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone and notification volume panel. So this panel means that when you will mute your ringtone, you will turn on the silent mode, and the silent mode that means that you mute your ringtones and notifications. So if you wanna stay with the ringtones but mute only your notifications, you can go here to the default notification sound and here click to allow and switch your currently notification sound just to the none. Now just you should go back, and here you can see that we have now set it the notification sound, and by this way we can mute your notification sound and stay with the ringtones. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.